Hello, this is Basic Cantonese Grammar, Chapter 23, Audio. In this YouTube video, I'm going to read out the sample sentence and some of the sentence in the exercise of the book Basic Cantonese Grammar by Regina Yip and Stephen Matthew. You can find the book title in the description for you to purchase. Okay, let's start. In this book, there's exceptional verbs, reply to questions, and questions with may. Alright. 佢哋嚟唔嚟啊？佢哋嚟唔嚟啊？你信唔信啊？你等唔等佢啊？你等唔等佢啊？架車貴唔貴啊？ Is the yes/no question. 啲行李重唔重啊？你間房大唔大啊？今日會唔會落雨啊？你識唔識講日文啊？你要唔要去洗手間啊？你要唔要去洗手間啊？ Next page 121頁 Unit 23你係唔係姓譚？你係唔係姓譚㗎？我哋係唔係今日去啊？Okay, so 鍾意 like 申請 apply 開心 happy smart 聰明 can 可以 should 應該 so really useful. So let's see the questions. 你哋鍾唔鍾意香港？你申唔申請呢份工啊？你今日開唔開心啊？佢聰唔聰明啊？我可唔可以坐啊？我應唔應該道歉啊？ Exceptional verbs. 你有冇細路仔啊？我哋有冇時間啊？你有冇去買嘢啊？今日有冇落雨啊？ Next page 122頁 120你使唔使睇醫生啊？要啊。我使唔使幫手啊？唔使啦，唔該。Replying to questions. 你鍾唔鍾意呢度？你鍾唔鍾意呢度啊？鍾意啊。你去唔去倫敦啊？唔去啦，唔去啦。Question with may。你食飽未啊？我哋玩完未啊？佢結咗婚未啊？佢結過婚未啊？你交咗稅未啊？你交過稅未啊？你熄咗燈未啊？熄咗啦。你去過曼谷未啊？去過啦，去過啦。佢升咗職未啊？未啊。你試過滑雪未啊？未啊。Exercise 23.1 23.1練習 Number 1第一 Yes no questions 我哋聽日去行山。我哋聽日係唔係去行山 ？Or 我哋聽日去唔去行山 ？Number 2第二香港依家好熱。香港依家熱唔熱啊？ Or 香港依家係唔係好熱 ？Number 3第三佢公司有問題。佢公司有冇問題 ？Or 佢公司係唔係有問題 ？So this exercise is quite tricky, but a very good exercise for you to understand if you have the ability to turn a statement into a yes/no question. Okay, next exercise. 23.2練習會應該可以唔使要 Okay. Are you going to immigrate? 你哋要唔要移民 Or in this English, it should be 你哋會唔會移民 Yeah, 你哋會唔會移民 It's like a future tense. So the answer is 你哋會唔會移民 Instead of do you need to immigrate? Number 2, do you need to go to work? 聽日使唔使返工啊？聽日使唔使返工啊？ Next part, 23.3 23.3 page 124 124頁。So you have to reply the questions in a possible and negative answer. The first one is 你屋企有冇電腦啊？我屋企有電腦。我屋企冇電腦。佢有冇保險啊？佢有保險。佢冇保險。呢個係唔係老闆啊？呢個係老闆。呢個唔係老闆。Let's try the most difficult one. Number 7. 你去過上海未啊？我去過上海。我未去過上海。Okay. Number 9. Have you finished teaching? 你教完書未啊？我教完書。我未教完書。Alright, that's the end of Unit 23. Yes, no question. Thank you.